My name is Stan Lazarian, and I'm the president of Armenian Gospel Mission and ARDA. In 1970, an Armenian who had immigrated to the United States founded the Armenian Gospel Mission. The purpose of AGM was to help Armenians who had fled from the Soviet Union get their feet on the ground in America. But in the early 1990s, the Armenian Gospel Mission began to turn its eyes towards the Republic of Armenia. And in 1992, we established the Armenian Relief and Development Association, ARDA. Now, 10 years later, ARDA has grown from a small program in one little kindergarten to a very large and very multifaceted organization. So we do lots of things at ARDA. We started out with a vision to help the poor and the weak and those who are the most vulnerable in society. So that naturally meant for us children. So our first love has always been the children of Armenia.
Children here in Armenia is in such need, especially those in orphanages, was an eye-opener for us and gave us the impetus to bring our Plasticos reconstructive surgical team to Armenia to help these children and to collaborate with our Armenian counterparts to establish a modality for helping more children in the future.
We found that there were a number of children who were not receiving the care that could be given to them, and they had a number of congenital problems such as cleft lip and palate. There were children with injuries such as burn deformities and other varieties of problems that we felt could be addressed with plastic surgery services. This trip, we came here to help work with some of the doctors and to perform some of these operations, and also to further explore the ways in which we could continue to collaborate with the plastic surgeons in Armenia to best provide these services.
Susanna had screened at least 250 patients before our arrival. Of those 250 patients, we further looked at and finally screened over 90 patients. Of the 90 patients, we operated on between 33 and 35, doing approximately 60 separate operations. And we're quite happy to say that all of the children did very well with these procedures.
So we want to thank you for your participation with us and tell you that if you're interested in helping in some way, you can contact ARDA here in Armenia. Thank you very much.